sure my DOP is also here, Mr. Dharmendra Vishwas. Thank you so much for appreciating this song. This is my first music single. इसके पहले आपने मुझे फिल्म्स वेब सीरीज में देखा होगा, बट एक गाना बनाना एक मेरा शुरू से एक सपना था. I always wanted to make a music single, and I think I will make more. and and Sangeet, who gave his the fantastic voice to the song. Please come here. Please, please, please. He's one of my favorite singer, and I hope you all remember his last his Awargi. It was like, thank you so much. So Sangeet, who has given the voice to the song, and also the made the music and everything. And so, Reshma ji.
Thank you. I hope you guys like the song. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It was really a make or break thing, because we want to do something together and something very nice together. So this is what you guys saw, and definitely not without the help of my DOP, because he was the one who could understand my visual what I wanted. So not without the help of him. And as a producer, UV is the best that I know. And Sohail, I must talk about Sohail for sure. You're seriously talking. मुझे बिल्कुल भी उम्मीद नहीं थी कि एक न्यू कमर से मैं इतना अच्छा काम निकाल लूंगी और वो इतना अच्छा मुझे दे देगा. I was really not ready. I was like यार बहुत काम करना पड़ेगा. I was like कि बहुत काम करना पड़ेगा, इसको बहुत समझाना पड़ेगा. But then, to my surprise, he actually understood and he actually gave me what I wanted from him. And Titiana, यार ये इसने वो कथक वाला पीस कर लिया उसने, तो you just took my heart away there only. And she's a sweetheart and a very nice actor to work with, very dedicated actor. Okay, and please Dharamji.
बस मैं थैंक करना चाहूँगा युवराज सर को और मैम को कि इन्होंने मेरे ऊपर पूरा भरोसा जताया और मैंने कोशिश की कि इनके जो विज़न थे मैं उसको पूरी तरह से फिल्म कर स्क्रीन कर लूँ, और पूरा बिलीव था इनका और वो मैंने फुलफिल किया. और आप लोगों को कैसा लगा वो आप लोग बताएंगे.
सॉन्ग में एक्चुअली बहुत कम एक्टिंग को मिलता है, लेकिन इस सॉन्ग में बहुत एक्टिंग थी, तो मैं बहुत नर्वस था. लेकिन मेरे को एक्टर्स टिटियाना युवराज जी ने मेरा बहुत साथ दिया शुरू में बहुत, और मेरी डायरेक्टर रेशमा जी.
एक्टिंग का ही गाना है.
तो बहुत कम लोगों को मिलता है कि एक्टिंग इतनी हो सॉन्ग में. थैंक यू सो मच.
Good evening everyone. Sorry I'm a little late. So it's me and my brother Siddharth who've done the music for this. He's a very dear friend. जब वो पहले आया था उसने बताया था कि उसे म्यूजिक में बहुत ज़्यादा शौक है, and he really liked one of my songs earlier which was Avargi, and he said I really want to do something which I've not done, and I think he's proved himself on this one, especially with co-actors like Sohail and Titiana, and we have a fantastic director Reshma ji. Thank you so much. आपका नाम कौन है? Dharam ji. A big round of applause to everyone, because we're in the studio, a lot of hard work goes on the sets. He's a one-man army, I must tell you. He really does everything, and he's bang on with everything, be it talking to people, their payments, everything. It really requires a good heart to do that, and a big round of applause for Yuvraj. We also have a very senior and celebrated music composer with us, Nikhil ji, of Nikhil Vinay. Please, a big round of applause for him as well. And thank you all of you for coming here and supporting this single called Sajda. And we look forward to many more from you, man. Cheers.
Titiana.
Okay, I'm very excited because it's like my big first project as an actor in Bollywood, and I can't be more grateful to do it with these talented people, hardworking, supporting, and very inspiring. I'm really happy, and I hope you like it a lot. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, everyone. I don't know what to say more, but I'm really happy and thank you so much. And I will say one more thing. One of my a very close friend, Kapil Sharma, who's sitting there, and I've learned a lot of things from him because he is also my director in my other film and web series. So Kapil, if you can come for 1 minute here. Kapil is my director in my upcoming film, Lights, Camera, Murder, and Don't Know Why 3.
I just wish lots of luck, and it's been shot very well, choreographed and directed very well, and acted very well. My best wishes. Thank you.
Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you. Thank you. Sandeep ji, Mr. Sandeep Saparkar, please, if you can come here for 1 minute and say something. And also, Nikhil ji, my music director in my other projects. I've done, I think, 4 to 5 projects with Nikhil ji, from Don't Know Why, then Love, Life and Screw Ups, and then Lights, Camera, Murder, and now again Don't Know Why 3. And with Sandeep ji, I've done a play called Hyacinth, and I think I'm a fan of his dancing. He's the only one.
I think today, after seeing this, we are a fan of you guys. So great work, congratulations, and all the very best, and lots more to come. Lots more to come.
And I'm very lucky today. I have one of my very favorite actress from Bollywood industry, Shanti Priya ji. And I loved her film Saugand. I'm fan of you. I remember all the dialogues.
Thank you very much. I would like to tell the whole team it was fabulous and it is a melodious song. The song was, and the whole teamwork was really good.
अरे मैं मुंडे भूल जाता हूँ please. Rakesh Paul is also my, and also Vicky Nani, who has done all the beautiful posters. Please Vicky, come here.
Congratulations everyone here. A lovely song, very well sung, composed and picturized and enacted. I wish you guys all the very best. And the stills are fantastically beautifully shot by Vicky Idnani.
Say something about the shooting.
A very good evening to everybody. Thank you so much. This is a houseful way beyond any houseful that I've ever seen. So congratulations, Yuvraj. You are not only a good producer on the set, the way you entertain your people and the love that you receive speaks for you immensely. I had a great time shooting all the stills for the music video. It almost looks like a film. So congratulations to all you guys there. Thank you. Famous last words. Who's going to do that?
Thank you so much. Thank you so much everyone. Thank you so much. And ये सॉन्ग आज रात को रिलीज हो रहा है, तो प्लीज़ इसको जितना आप देख सकते हैं, जितना शेयर कर सकते हैं, प्लीज़ कीजिएगा. ये बहुत मेहनत से हम लोगों ने बनाया है. #सजदा.
Or if you can just come closer for a come closer.
Thank you very much.
स्लाइड करते हैं.
सजदा गाना रिलीज हुआ युवराज का फर्स्ट सिंगल है.
It's a very good start. The song is being sung very well, composed very well, enacted by all these wonderful actors, and very good direction. I liked it, and even this girl is very very beautiful and enacted so well. This new boy Sohail, and of course Yuvraj, very good effort, and I genuinely wish this dedication and this honesty with which they worked. I wish them a lot of success, and I wish them many more. Hearty congratulations to the entire team. Okay. Thank you, thank you.
Are you ready? It's amazing to have both dance exponents in one frame, Sandeep, I must say. Sandeep, starting with you, how is the response from your end about Sajda's release?
Oh, I think it's beautifully shot. It's just Reshma done a great job, and Yuvraj is my favorite, and I have just loved it. It's looking like a film, and in few minutes they have kind of straight the whole story of a full movie in front of us. It's looking fabulously good. They all are looking fantastic. I'm excited, and I'm going to for sure show this to all my friends, and I hope this does really well.
Shantanu, what do you have to say to you saw the song today? I mean, as I said, both of you, your experience and your feedback really matters, especially with something which is on dance-based and emotions.
Yeah, the song was very good, excellent, and the photographic was also, and the song had a lot of emotionals in it. In spite of there was no dance, but it showed a lot of emotionals, and it was fabulous. The picturization DP was very good, and yeah, I would like to tell the whole team all the best and congratulations.
Sandeep, you wrote the scenario. So, what is your take on that?
But I think today in this song, I saw some glimpses of Kathak, which was very nice. Especially seeing Yuvraj doing it, I think was very, very beautiful, because I know he's been a Kathak dancer before, and he has learned from Anuj Mishra ji and from Arjun Mishra ji. It just feels fabulous to see what you have done training into, using that in your professional career. And yes, dance has changed and evolved over the period of time in our country, but having a great blend of the two, which we see today in this video, it just looks fabulous, because it has a little bit of international appeal as well, a little bit of romance happening, and the classical elements to it. So the whole blend, I think, is beautiful. It just talks about our country, where we are embracing all kind of dance forms together today.
I would like to say the same thing. Like nowadays, they are collaborating a lot of different dancers. Like he's into salsa and Kathak, and like I'm into Bharatanatyam. So there is a lot of collaboration going on, and everybody is interested in dancing nowadays. And because it changes the personality, presentation, it gives you a grace and expression. Everything. So basically, if you are a dancer, you can express more emotionals and expressions. So yes, it's good.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
युवराज क्या सजदा कैसे इंसेप्शन हुआ, कैसे स्टार्ट हुआ, क्या स्टोरी है सजदा?
Since I'm an actor and producer since from my first film, and एक म्यूज़िक वीडियो बनाना मेरा एक शुरू से एक सपना था. मैं हमेशा से एक म्यूज़िक वीडियो बनाना चाहता था. तो सजदा का आइडिया जब मेरे दिमाग में आया था, आई फेल्ट कि एक ऐसा म्यूज़िक वीडियो बनाऊं जिसमें प्यार भी हो, दोस्ती भी हो, एंड एक सॉफ्ट सॉन्ग जिसमें थोड़ा लाइक एक्टिंग, डांस, सब कुछ हो सके. तो इट वाज लाइक वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू थिंक सॉन्ग लाइक दिस जिसमें आप एक्टिंग भी करो, डांस भी करो, रोमांस भी दिखाओ, फ्रेंडशिप भी दिखाओ. तो जब सजदा का आइडिया मेरे दिमाग में आया था, देन आई थॉट कि आई हैव टू मेक इट, एंड देन आई डिड इट.
सोहेल, आपका कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा? फर्स्ट डेब्यू है आपका और इतनी अच्छी एक्टिंग की आपने, क्या कहना चाहिए?
एक्चुअली मैं बहुत नर्वस था, और जब मैं इनके इस प्रोडक्शन में काफ़ी पहले से हूँ, तो मैंने एज ए स्टिल फोटोग्राफर स्टार्ट किया था. तो धीरे धीरे मैं उसमें कुछ इनको इंटरेस्ट दिखता था. तो उसके बाद एक लाइट कैमरा मर्डर इनकी मूवी है, उसमें मैंने छोटा कैमियो किया है. वो एक लाइक ऑडिशन जैसा था. फिर उसके बाद ये सजदा का इनका प्लान चल रहा था, तो मेरे से बोले थे कि आपका स्क्रीन टेस्ट करते हैं, फिर सजदा के नहीं. तो स्क्रीन टेस्ट हुआ और मैं सिलेक्ट हो गया. तो फिर मैं नर्वस था, क्योंकि युवराज जी काफ़ी काम कर चुके हैं, भी काफ़ी काम कर चुकी, मेरा पहला काम था. तो लेकिन इन दोनों ने मेरी बहुत हेल्प की और उस चीज़ से सबसे निकाला, और मैं अच्छा कुछ कर पाया. आई होप आपको पसंद आया हो.
पर आप अपने आप को लकी मानते हैं?
या ऑफ कोर्स, एक्चुअली सॉन्ग में एक्टिंग करने को बहुत कम मिलता है. तो ये सॉन्ग ऐसा था, इसमें बहुत एक्टिंग थी. तो ये जैसे मुझे मिला, ऑफ कोर्स मैं अपने आप को लकी मानता हूँ.
What's been your experience? Airlift has been quite a bridge, and now you get another song where you get to act. So what do you have to say to that?
I'm really grateful to the guys here who supported me, and I just joined the project in the last moment, and it was a pleasure for me. A lot of support was from their side, and I'm glad it was not just dancing; it was an acting. And I think act without the speaking itself is more harder because you have only your face to express all your feelings. And it was a great. I speak with Yuvraj, and he told me the story of the song, and I heard it, and I've been really touched. And I said, I want to be in this song. I want to do it. And yeah, it was a great time, and a lot of help from the
Actually,
guys.
they both are very hardworking. She's also very hardworking. She's from Ukraine, and I was surprised when she performed Kathak. There's a small piece of Kathak in the song, and she did it. And same like Suhail, when I saw his first shot, I was surprised. I was confident, definitely, but the way they both delivered, it was mind blowing.
सॉन्ग में देखा आपने कथक किया है और मैम ने भी किया है, तो आपको कितनी दिक्कत हुई है?
मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं हुई because I'm a dancer actually and I've done my graduation in Kathak, but I really appreciate Tatiana, and she did few rehearsals, not for hours. I mean, she's also a dancer, so it's easy for a dancer to attempt any other form, but it's important to be a dancer. She's a dancer, so I mean, उन्होंने easily उस चीज़ को पकड़ लिया और बहुत अच्छे से perform किया.
And Yuvraj is very good teacher. He showed me just
And
quickly.
the main, I will give this credit to our director and choreographer because she also narrated us very nicely, and it was very easy to understand.
Yes.
So ये story line कहाँ से ज़हन में आई कि मतलब एक जो love couple already है और उसमें फिर किसी और से शादी हो जाती है, अक्सर हम देखते हैं ऐसा, आपके साथ कब आया?
मेरे दिमाग में आया था एक्चुअली ये एक, जैसे मैंने बिगनिंग में कहा, एक फ्रेंडशिप और एक दोस्ती और एक प्यार दोनों को साथ में लाना. तो कभी कभी कुछ रिश्ते होते हैं जो प्यार से ऊपर हो जाते हैं. लाइक इफ़ यू हैव नोटिस्ड इन द बिगनिंग सागा ऑफ अनकंडीशनल लव, जहाँ पे प्यार में शर्तें नहीं हैं. तो कहीं ना कहीं वो कैरेक्टर ने अपनी दोस्ती को भी चुना, क्योंकि वो लड़की भी उसकी दोस्त है, क्योंकि आप किसी से प्यार करते हो उससे पहले आपको उसका दोस्त भी होना पड़ता है, बट वो लड़का भी उसका दोस्त है, तो उसने उन दोनों की खुशी सोची.
तो सोहेल, आपका एक्सपीरियंस जानना चाहेंगे कि जो कि आपका डेब्यू था, लेकिन ऐसी किसी जगह पे परफॉर्म करना जो कि एक सॉन्ग होना है एज एन एक्टर, कितना चैलेंजिंग था, कितना ईजी है?
एक्चुअली बहुत चैलेंजिंग था क्योंकि इसमें एक्टिंग वाइज बहुत काम था. ये नॉर्मली सॉन्ग नहीं था कि खाली एक्सप्रेशन दे के निकल जाओ. इसमें बहुत हंसना रोना बहुत था, तो काफ़ी चैलेंज था. लेकिन इसमें मेरा फिर से कहूँगा, मेरे को एक्टर टिटियाना एंड युवराज जी बहुत साथ दिया उन लोगों ने मेरा. तो मैं ये
Lastly, the question is to Titiana. You have been we have seen you in Devi of Airlift, and you performed really well. Now coming to an Indian style and performing it so gracefully, Kathak, how was the experience?
As I said, Yuvraj was a good teacher. He showed me very fast the steps, and I really mesmerized Indian classical dance, Kathak and Bharatanatyam, because they have really some meaning into it. And I hope maybe I'll get time and I'll learn it properly. So yeah, I love dancing Kathak, to be honest. It's something different and it's very nice.
Would you even show interest in acting more in Bollywood?
Yes, of course. It's like everyone looking for the opportunities to get somewhere, and acting is something different, and I really loved it because it's the way you can express yourself.
युवराज और सोहेल, आपसे जानना चाहेंगे कि ये शूटिंग के दरमियान बिहाइंड द सीन्स ऑफ कैमरा क्या एक्सपीरियंस रहा, क्या मस्ती?
इट वॉज वेरी टायरिंग. बहुत गर्मी थी और हर शॉट में हमें फ्रेश फील करना था. So I don't remember any special moments, but yeah, it was like very back to back, and it was a good experience.
एक्चुअली इसमें बहुत चेंजेस थे, तो फटाक से किया सीन चेंज करो, फटाक से सीन किया, तो बहुत चैलेंज था इसमें.
Thank you so much, everyone. And on this note, I would love to announce that I am going to make soon another music single, which I am planning to release on 15th of August. Why 15th of August? There is some reasons. Maybe I think मैं later कभी उसको open करूँगा. But that going to be more bigger than this song.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone.
Silence.
Well, Sajda बनाते वक्त when UV came to us, I think he had friendship and love as the main concepts in the song that he wanted to talk about. तो और उसे ये सिर्फ गाना नहीं बना के छोड़ना था, उसे एक सिनेमैटिक लिबर्टी के साथ उसे प्रेजेंट करना था. गाने के बोल है तेरे प्यार ने संभाला दिल मेरा, बट इसे हम सजदा कह रहे हैं क्योंकि इसका जिस्ट जो है, जो गाने का कोर है, it talks about sajda. It talks about worship, how you worship someone in love, in friendship, in many relationships. And I think that's the kind of person Yuvraj is, you know, whoever he meets, वो वैसे टाइप का एक रिलेशन बनाता है उस इंसान के साथ कि you know you feel like this is unconditional. And I think that's how it really came about. And me and Siddharth work from, you know, the vibe we get from people. And म्यूज़िक तो मतलब आई फील इज़ मैजिकल. कोई मैकेनिकल चीज़ से दिल नहीं लगता, बट कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो नेचुरली आती है, एंड दिस इज़ वन ऑफ देम. एंड वी रियली हैप्पी वी कुड डू दिस, एंड कंग्रेचुलेशंस टू द एंटायर टीम फॉर, यू नो, पुटिंग द बेस्ट फुट फॉरवर्ड. थैंक यू
सो मच.
Of course, you know, एक song incomplete होता है जब म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर और सॉन्ग डायरेक्टर नहीं हो, तो आप बताइए how did the music composition convert into the direction?
See, when I heard the song, it was very clear in our mind that how are we going to shoot the song? What is the storyline going to be? Because definitely it is not going to be like the usual music video, chuck, you know, all fast cutting, 5 camera setups, and you know, गाना एकदम zits में जा रहा है. Because this is a very acting oriented music video, which goes very sleek, very soft, and definitely the music has to complement. And Alhamdulillah, we managed to, you know, come up. No, you made such good music. That was a big inspiration. Yeah, अगर गाना अच्छा नहीं हो, तो you know, no matter how much ever best visual I give, but unless until people don't like the song, the visuals are for waste. So it went hand in hand. You know, he made such good song, and I think we managed. I managed to shoot it well.
It was really, really nice.
You.
It was great experience working with like composer and singer Sangeet and director like Reshma ji. Reshma ji के साथ मैंने पहले भी काम किया है. She has been my choreographer for my last 2 films and for 2 web series. And but संगीत के साथ ये मेरा पहला as a professional first experience था. So I mean it was fantastic and we are going to work again and again and again.
Inshallah.
क्वेश्चन है कि ये गाने को जब आपने गाया
जी,
तो जाहिर सी बात है कि फील लेना पड़ा होगा. कुछ कनेक्शन फील हुआ ना कहीं लाइफ में जैसे
He's asking, were you in love? Are you heartbroken or something?
No, I'm actually in love with every expression, with every emotion, whether it's sadness, whether it's happiness, whether it's anger. You should be happy with everything, you know. I think it's a way of expressing yourself. And when it came to this song, मैं एक तरीके से जनरली अपने गाने को गाता हूँ. मैं अकेला एक रूम में बैठ के पूरा गाना गा लेता हूँ और उसके बाद उसे ट्रैक पे डालता हूँ, क्योंकि आई लाइक टू बी विद दैट सॉन्ग. क्योंकि वो फिर मैकेनिकल जोन में फिर गाने का मतलब नहीं बनता, क्योंकि गाना कहीं बनता है, रिकॉर्ड कोई और करता है, लिरिक्स कोई और लिखता है. और सॉरी, आई शुड मेंशन द फैंटास्टिक लिरिक्स रिटन बाय मनोज यादव. ही इज़ अ ब्रिलियंट लिरिसिस्ट. उसने काफ़ी सारे हिट गाने लिखे हैं. मदारी इज़ वन ऑफ देम इफ़ यू गॉट इट ऑन कोक स्टूडियो. एंड आई थिंक इट्स अ ग्रेट अपॉर्चुनिटी दैट वी गॉट ओवर हियर विद UV एंड एवरीवन इन्वॉल्व्ड टू क्रिएट अ, यू नो,
कंपोजिंग के बारे में बात करेंगे तो वो कंपोजिंग मतलब होता है ना, कुछ ना कुछ एक जहन में आता है, ऊपर से कनेक्ट होता है कुछ.
वो एग्जैक्टली हुआ था, क्योंकि जब उससे मिले थे हम दोस्त के हिसाब से मिले थे. बट व्हेन ही टोल्ड अस द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ इट, अबाउट इट बीइंग अबाउट लव एंड फ्रेंडशिप and how things can be unconditional, you know, you can love more than one person in your life, and I think that's what the song talks about, and it's beautifully picturized, and that's what it also you know, translates into. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
So pleasant on the screen to see with, and your emotions were really.
One also I met you before, like when I was performing as in my first show as a celebrity dancer in Gladrex, Mrs. India. That time also you were there.
Yes, I was a participant. Oh, that's nice.
So
yes.
that time also I was thinking, oh my god, you're the very favorite. And that was my first performance as a celebrity.
Wow. So this is your first.
Yeah.
This Yuvraj is a friend, and
Yes.
You both belong to the same dancing side of so what do you have to say about Yuvraj's debut in a music scene?
See, it's not new for him to be anywhere, so here it is. Another one, and yes, I met him few years back with Sandeep Sabarkar, and we performed, and he was amazing. मतलब मुझे ऐसा था कि यार वापस, you know, somebody I have to rehearse a lot with, but he was outstanding. And I said हमारा एक फिर भी performance बनता है, we'll do someday. And I got his message, and I couldn't say anything, and I said yes, I'll be there, and here I am.
Thank you so much.
You want to add something? Yuvraj, you saw the video.
Oh yeah, it was amazing performance by all the three, and especially everybody. I was just telling Yuvraj that the emotionals were so perfect, and especially the smile of all the three was so innocent, and the expressions were fabulous. It's just fabulous.
Thank you so
keep
much.
up, keep up
Thank
the
you
good
so
work.
much. Thank you.
And I would like to work with you in a dance.
Oh my God, this is my.
In a dance, and Kathak and Bharatanatyam and Kuchipudi.
I'm big fan
So-
of yours.
Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you very much. So
Thank you
looking
so
forward,
much.
looking forward to work with you in a dance.
So guys, watch it, I must say, and give a lot of love to him, and post and share. Yeah, do it.
It's releasing in some time only.
Few minutes.
Few minutes. On YouTube, on Web Studio.
So watch out.
And please share
And you all can share the link.
the thing.
I can, yes. I can spread out the links.
What link? Tell the www.
www.omwebstudio.youtube.com.
Simple. Follow him on media, and
Yeah,
whatever
please,
it is, just
and
follow
share,
that page.
share, and keep sharing and liking. Thanks.
Thank you so much. Thank you,
very
everyone.
much. All the
Thank you.
best.
Thank you. Thank you.
कैप्शन बराबर मिला ना, अच्छा मिला ना। उसमें लंबा नहीं जाता अपने को ऊपर और पूरा देखते हैं ना। पूरा समोसा देना, सुबह समोसा ठीक है। अभी आया ये बच्चा, देख इसका अकाउंट बैंड कर।